Hello and welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to make $1,000 a week. In today's economy, earning extra income has become a necessity for many people, whether it be to supplement their current salary, pay off debt, or save for a big purchase. Fortunately, there are many ways to make an extra $1,000 a week, and in this video, we will discuss some of the most effective and practical strategies that can help you achieve your financial goals. Freelancing. Freelancing is a popular and accessible way to earn extra income. Whether you have expertise in writing, graphic design, web development, or any other marketable skill, you can offer your services as a freelancer and work with clients from all over the world. Freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com provide a platform to find clients and start earning money. By working with a few clients per week, you can easily make $1,000. Delivery services. On-demand delivery services like Uber Eats, Grubhub, and DoorDash have made it possible for anyone to become a delivery driver and earn money by delivering food and other items. This option is flexible and allows you to work as many or as few hours as you want. By working a few hours per day, you can easily make an extra $1,000 per week. Online surveys. Many websites pay users for taking online surveys. While the pay is not high, you can easily make an extra $1,000 per week by taking multiple surveys per day. Some popular survey websites include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research. This option is ideal for those who have some free time and want to earn money from the comfort of their own home. Sell products online. If you have a unique product or can find products at a lower cost, you can sell them online through platforms like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy. By creating your online store or leveraging an existing platform, you can reach a vast audience and sell products for a profit. With a successful online store, you can easily make $1,000 per week or more. Real estate investing. Real estate can be a lucrative investment if done correctly. By investing in rental properties or flipping homes, you can make significant profits. While this option requires more upfront investment, it can yield high returns and help you reach your $1,000 a week goal. Start a blog or YouTube channel. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can start a blog or YouTube channel and monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. While this option requires some upfront work, it can lead to long-term passive income that can help you achieve your financial goals. Online tutoring. With the rise of online education, online tutoring has become a popular and accessible option to earn extra income. By tutoring students in subjects like math, science, or languages, you can earn a decent hourly rate and make an extra $1,000 per week by working with a few students. Earning an extra $1,000 a week may seem challenging, but with the right strategies, it can be achievable. Freelancing, delivery services, online surveys, selling products online, real estate investing, starting a blog or YouTube channel, and online tutoring are just a few of the many ways to earn extra income. However, it's essential to remember that no single strategy will work for everyone, and finding what works for you may take some trial and error. With hard work, dedication, and persistence, you can make an extra $1,000 a week and achieve your financial goals. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your journey to financial freedom.